This is the 5 Herb Garden Kit with a wooden box, a simple and enjoyable way to grow fresh herbs right on your windowsill. The kit includes 5 popular herbs: basil, thyme, parsley, rosemary, and mint. These are great everyday options that you can use for cooking, garnishing, or adding fresh flavor to drinks and meals. Having them all in one set makes it easy to start a small indoor garden without needing to buy everything separately. I really like the wooden box design. It keeps everything organized and gives a clean, natural look that fits nicely in a kitchen, especially on a windowsill where the herbs can get plenty of light. It also makes the whole setup feel more like a decorative piece, not just a gardening project. This kit is beginner friendly, so it works well even if you've never grown herbs before. It's also a fun activity, whether you're planting it yourself or giving it as a gift. Because it's both practical and visually appealing, it makes a great gift idea for birthdays, housewarmings, or for anyone who enjoys cooking or DIY projects. If you're looking for an easy way to grow fresh herbs at home, or a thoughtful gift that's both useful and creative, this 5 Herb Garden Kit is a really nice option.